Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now students, let's start our today's session. Do you know students what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about seasons which we have done in the last few days. As you well all know, we have learned about the summer season, rainy season and winter season. Students, you all are remember that we also have learned about the specific food which we eat in the specific season, which clothes we wear in which season and what special we like about the season. Like in the summer season, we wear cotton clothes, enjoys ice cream and cold drinks, and also enjoying going to swimming pools and the park with our family. In the rainy season, we wear raincoat and enjoying rain. I eat pakoras with hot piping tea. With winter season, we wear woolen clothes and enjoying eating soup and peanuts. Students, you also enjoying bonfire in the winter at the night, as the Christmas also comes in the winter. On the Christmas day, we all decorate the Christmas tree with our family, and on this day, Santa Claus also gives us a lot of gifts. Students, as you all know, we wear different clothes in the different seasons, like we wear cotton clothes in summer season, we wear woolen clothes in winter season, and we wear raincoat in the rainy season. Students, we wear different clothes according to weather, like as if we wear woolen clothes in the summer, then we feel hot in them, and if we wear cotton cloth in winter, then we fall ill and have to suffer from the cold. So students, we should wear clothes according to the weather. In this activity students, I have some pictures and some letters. Students, you see the picture and make a sound words. Like first picture is the picture of a man. So make a word man. M-A-N, man. Very good. Now students, tell me, second picture is which picture is this? Cat. C-A-T, cat. Okay. Now the third picture is a picture of a yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Okay. Now next picture is a picture of a ball. B-A-L, ball. Next picture is a picture of a fan. F-A-N, fan. Now students, tell me, next picture is
Ma'am, jam.
very good. Now make the word jam.
Ma'am, J
Yes.
A
Yes.
M. Jam.
Very good. Now tell me, which picture is next?
Ma'am, cap.
Very good.
We wear on head.
Yes. Now make the word cap.
C-A-P. Cap.
Very good. Students, open your book. I Can Achieve a 5. Open page number 13. Here, students, you will take the clothes you would like to wear. Students, if you like trouser, you tick here. If you like top, you tick here. If you like shorts, you tick here. If you like skirt with galses, you tick here. If you like short skirts, you tick here. If you like t-shirts, you tick here. If you like long pant, you tick here. If you like shorts, you tick here. If you like socks, you tick here. If you like embroidered top, you tick here. Now students, open page number 14. Here students, we use the words given in a box to fill the box in the picture, naming A words. This is the word picture of a van. So write here van, V-A-N, van. This is the picture of a bag. So write here B-A-G, bag. Third picture is a picture of a jam. So write here jam, J-A-M, jam. Now the last picture is a picture of a mat. So write here M-A-T, mat, like this. Now students recite the story Splish Splish. Open page number 34 of your book Story and Rhyme. Ravi is happily playing with his ball. Last monsoon, I had fun with my friends in the park. Suddenly, Ravi hears thunder. He looks up and sees dark clouds in the sky. Oh my God! The sky is full of clouds in the sky. Oh my God! The sky is full of clouds. It becomes dark. Ravi thinks quickly. He knows it is about to rain. I know what to do. Ravi wear his raincoat, which he had kept on the park bench. It starts raining. I have worn my raincoat. Now I can go back home without getting wet. Now students, open page number 15. Here students, you count, trace and write. Firstly, you count the pictures. How many umbrellas? 1. O-N-E, 1. So trace here O-N-E, 1. In the how many pictures are there of snowmen? 1, 2. So write here 2. T-W-O, 2. How many caps? 3. 1, 2, 3. So write here the spelling of 3. THREE 3. Next picture is a picture of glasses of juice. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many glasses? 4. So write here 4. FOUR 4. How many ice creams? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice creams. So write here 5. FIVE 5. Students, open your I Can Achiever phonic book 2. Open page number 4. Here students, you read and recall, match the following. CAN can, JAM jam, MAT mat, FAN fan, BAG bag, MAN man, DAM dam, CAT cat, RAT rat, VAN van, DOG dog, TOP top, CAP cap, MAP map. Now students make number name with the help of alphabets. O N E 1 T W O 2 D H R E E 3 F O U R 4 F I V E 5. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss with them what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch children, do your work, play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning kids, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you.